Meet TubeOnAI, your productivity companion that'll help supercharge your research and content creation in no time. It's got tons to offer, including podcast summaries, audio playback, video to blog post conversion, chat with PDF, Google Drive file summaries, and much more. Let's start with the YouTube Summarizer. Users have the option to directly search for a video in the app, and within a few seconds, our system will summarize the content for you, even if it has no transcription or is in a different language. Also, with our new Connect to YouTube feature, users can subscribe to all of their favorite channels at once. This is a game-changing feature. We will directly summarize the new content and send push notifications to your web and mobile apps, and optionally to your email. Next one is Podcast Summarizer. Thanks to this amazing feature, podcast enthusiasts can now listen to 3 times more podcast episodes than they usually do in a day. By listening, we mean our audio playback system, which offers human-friendly voices, 7 types of speeds, and playlist. On the other hand, our text summary feature includes articles, PDFs, and any public web URL. You can share the URL or upload the file from your folder, offering all kinds of flexibility. You can also upload media files like meeting records, conferences, webinars, or whatever to turn into concise summaries. If you want to chat with your videos or PDFs, then we provide an Ask Follow-Ups feature that lets you deep dives on the content to quickly extract the key info without wasting time. The most exciting part? Our AI content generator. It allows creators to turn their videos into blog posts, professors to turn their academic papers into cliff notes, or students to turn their lectures into quizzes or dynamic study guides. With the opportunity to save your custom prompt, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy a seamless experience with our web extension, which allows users to summarize any videos or articles with a single click. In addition, we have a robust development pipeline with exciting new features planned. Our dedicated team is working hard to bring them to life soon. Let's join together and help others to boost their productivity with this amazing tool.